Good morning, students. Welcome to the session. In the previous session, we are discussed about conducting and facing of interviews. So, well known about conducting and facing interview. So, what are the questions arising on the conducting and facing interview, and what are the qualities existing for facing the interview, and what are the methods are involving for facing interview. You can learn it in the previous session, but in this session we are discussed about mask interview and group discussion. In this session we are discussed about only for mask interview, and next session we are discussed about group discussion. So, can this session we discussed about group. Introduction. A mock interview, also known as practice interview, is a stimulation of an actual job interview. It provides you with an opportunities to practice for an interview and receive feedback. A typical mock interview is a practice job interview held with professional career counselor. A mock interview help you learn how to answer difficult questions, develop interview strategies, improve your communication skill, and reduce your stress before an actual job interview. During a mock interview, an interviewer may use a semi-structured interview format rather than the asking formula list questions. An overview of mock interview. Mock interview, also known as practice interview, is a simulation of an actual job interview. It provides a job seekers with an opportunity to practice for an interview and receive feedback on their interviewing skill. Meaning of mock interview. A mock interview is practice interviewing that stimulate a real interviews as closely as possible. A mock interview involves accompanying potential job candidates to various interview settings and helping them to prepare their response to common asked interview questions. A typical mock interview is practice job interview held with a professional career counselor. A mock interview help you learn how to answer difficult questions, develop interview strategies, improve your communication skill, and reduce your stress before actual job interview. During mock interview, the interviewer may use semi-structured interview format rather than asking formal list of questions. Actual interviews take a place in person, in group setting, and over the phone, and you can practice all this scenario in a mock interview. You will able to make a note of how you perform and what you can do improve both your verbal and non-verbal communication skill. You can ask family members, friends, or colleagues to conduct mock interview for you and give you honest feedback. However, you might find a greater benefit if you can arrange the professional mock interview. Professionals and counselor in your field will often help you with this. Just be prepared to accept criticism when it is warranted and work at improve your shortcoming. Benefit of practice of interview. Practice interview familiarize users with the interview process and allow user to practice answering common interview questions and with confidence. Webcam practice interview are particularly helpful in what you can review not only your answer but your body language, eye contact, and interview attire. Online practice interviews familiarize users with the interview process and allow users to practice answering the common interview questions with confidence. Webcam interview are particularly helpful in that you can review not only your answer but your body language, eye contact, and attire. The main purpose of mock interview is to accustomed you do different interview environment and increase your self confidence. You will then be less likely to be nervous during the real interview. Additional mock interviews will familiarize you with common asked interview questions. You will able to practice different iterations of the response to those questions. That way, during the real interview, you will be able to adjust your answer to fit the sitting and appearing natural and conversational. In person mock interview, many college, career center, and career counselor offer in a person mock interview. If you are a college student or graduate, check with your career office to see if they provide in person or phone or video mock interview. If you are not affiliated with a college or university, a career coach or counselor is another option for practicing interview. We can make an appointment with a mock interviewer, providing her with information on either a specific company with whom you are interviewing or your general career field. This will help here to create mock interview questions similar to those you will eventually encounter in your actual interviews. The more specific the information you can provide for your mock interview, the better. The mock interview will often record the interview with a video camera. Some career center and career counselor also offer mock phone and online video interviews and will record your interview on the tape recorder or with a webcam. After the mock interview, which usually lasts about 30 minutes, the interviewer will then review the interview with you and provide feedback. Example of mock interview questions. The question asked during the mock interview are typically the more general employer interview questions that are asking during the first round or screening interview. However, for candidates who know what types of position, career, field or industry they are interested in, job specification interview question may be asked. If you are using mock interview to prepare for a job interview, you have scheduled with a common, the interviewer may be able to ask you actual questions that are asked by hiring managers at the company. Glassdoor.com as company interview questions contributed by site visitor for many companies. When you schedule a mock interview with your college, career center or career coach, provide them with as much as information as possible about your interest and goals. The more information of counselor has, the better able he or she will be to tailor the questions to fit the actual interviews you will have. For example, if you are searching for a technical job, the interviewer can ask a series of technique interview questions to familiar you with the types of questions that will be asked and to help you frame good response. If you are interviewing for a summer job, as another example, the interviewer can ask you the same question you will asked by the people who hire for summer position. Do take the time to prepare response to the questions you will be asked during the mock interview. This is an opportunity to practice interviewing and to make sure that you have the interview skill to make the best impression our interviewer. How to prepare for mock interviews? You should take mock interview as seriously as you would be a real one. Some of the following prepare for mock interviews we discussed. Practice with the right mock interviewer. It is the best if the person who will carry out the mock interview is from your field, as that will enable them to ask you probing and career specific questions without needing to do too much research. They will also be able to give you an accurate assessment of your interview performance and let you know if you are legally likely to be considered for the position. You can ask an experienced and senior professional to help you out, or you can check with online and offline job portals to find out if they offer mock interview opportunities. Additionally, you can ask family members and friends to help your practice. Interview with multiple peoples. If you have the opportunity to mock interview with multiple peoples, this will prepare you well for real interview, where you will have a interact with and respond to different interviewers. We learn how to remain calm and collected when facing a panel of interviewers or dealing with different personalities one on one. The different interviewers will give you feedback on how well you did and the mock interview and offer tips and advice on what you can do to improve. It is a good idea to undergo several mock interviews until you feel reasonable confident that you will fare well at the real ones. Recreate the interview setting. Whether it is an in-person mock interview or one over the phone or through video, you will get more of it if it is as close to real thing as possible. The point is to be healthy with the setting during the interview so that you are not nervous or self-conscious and can concentrate it wholly on having professional conventional with the interviewer. During an actual in-person interview, you and the interviewer would be facing one another across a desk or a table. Your CV would be on the surface before you. You might sit back in your chair or lean forward to talk with interviewer. So try to recreate that scenario during the mock interview and ask interviewer to evaluate your body language. Determine whether you appear awkward or at easy and what you can do appear more confident with seeming as if you are making an efforts to do so. For phone interview, make sure you have clear phone connection and that your cell phone has full charge. You should also be in an area where there is a minimum or no external distraction as phone interviews take place and designated times. You should be ready to answer the phone when it rings. Speak clearly and confidently. Confidently. Smile when you greet the interviewer, even if they cannot see you. It will make your voice sound better. Research the company before the interview. And the most common asked question at the job interviewer is, what do you know about our company? This is common to ask every company. It will help to be well prepared with thoughtful answer. Research the company thoroughly and also position for which you are entering. Read through the company's website, their mission statement and their blog. Check their social media post and any news article on the company. It will help to spend some time pondering over how the company values correspondence with yours and what you think you can bring to a position. Prepare a few talking points and practice confidently delivering them. You want to be able to convey the interviewer that you have what it takes to thrive in the position. Next, dress well for the interview. You can make favorable first impression on your interviewer if you dress appropriately for the occasion. Your attire needs to comfortable so that you can be at ease during the interview. That is true for in-person meeting as well as video interviews. Dressing up for the phone interviews could be also put you in a more professional frame of mind. After mock interview, your interviewer can give your feedback on how professional your attire is, how you appear, and if you need to make any changes. Have your CV and other materials at hand. At a real interview, the interviewers will expect you to bring along your CV, a work profile, and any other relevant documents. Make a point of doing the same for mock interview. Take along everything you think that you will need to provide the interview with information about you and your capabilities. The mock interview will let you know if you have come well prepared or need to have more materials at hand when you attend the real interview. Practice using the STAR method. The practice using STAR method. The STAR method consists of forming response the interview question according to the situation. Take situation, task means star method. Star means S means situation, T means task, A means action, and R means result. Situation, task, action, result. It means star methods. So you will need to take your time to make such well considered response. Along with providing interviewer with evidence of your skill and ability, you will able to impress them with your logical thought process. You should practice the STAR situation, task, action, and or means what result method until it becomes almost second nature to respond to questions in this thoughtful manner. While skill are crucial, most companies also want self-aware people who are capable of in deep thinking and analysis. You will increase your chance of getting a job if you can present yourself as such. Record the mock interview. While the mock interviews feedback about your interview questions can be evaluated, can be valuable, you will also benefit from recording the mock interview and reviewing your performance yourself. Try to be as objective as possible when you view the recording, keeping a notepad at the hand to make notes. Note if you have straight posture or if you are slouching. If you are make too many hand gesture, what your facial expression are, and if you appear calm or flustered. Reviewing your recording. Review your recording. It will also help to listen carefully to how you sound. Consider what your tones like. If you are talking too fast, if you are use attentive and not interrupting the interviewer, and if you come across as enthusiastic or overage. After reviewing the recording, make note of area in which you need to improve. Repeat the mock interview until you can reasonably smooth over your shortcoming. It may take a while, but it will show up your self-confidence and will therefore be well worth the efforts. When practicing with mock interview, approach them having a two-way, getting to know each other conversation. Keep in the mind that you should be assessing the company as they are assessing you. Prepare a list of valid questions to ask about the everyday duties of the position and the company work culture. Just as you want to fit their criteria for the job position, they should also fit your criteria for having decent work environment. With that mindset and frequent mock interview practice, you will be more likely to pass the real job interview and get selected for the position. Be sure to take your mock interview as seriously as you would be actual interview. Get ready for the interview just as would be an interviewing with hiring manager. Arrive arrive 10 to 15 minutes earlier and bring your resume and any other materials you would bring to a real interview. Bring a notebook to take notes on what your mock interview tells you. Dress professionally in interview attire. You should also prepare answer to general interview questions before arriving. Here's more information on these types of general interview questions. Include sample questions and answering you can review to get ready for interview. If you have mock interview to prepare for a specific job or career field, also review these job specific interview for questions. Mock interview are an ideal way to practice for job interviews because you are in situation that mirror an actual interview with a company. When you review your interview with the interviewer, you will be able to modify your response and interview behavior if necessary. Set up your own in-person mock interview. Online mock interview. Already I told you what are those. Next, fees-based interview program. Fees-based interview programs. Beware, however, that many of these online practice interview program cost money, particularly the program that record your interview or involve actual career counselor. Thoroughly review any online practice interview program. Make sure the program offer what you want at a cost that first your budget. Mock interview guide. A mock interview mirrors an actual job interview. It gives you an opportunity to practice what to say and do during an interview and get feedback. Whether it's face to face, online, or through a webcam, a mock interview is useful reviewing your answers to common interview questions and assessing other factors such as your outfit, mannerism, and body language. As the say goes, a practice make perfect. Practice make perfect. Doing a mock interview will show your strong and weak point and boost your self-confidence. How to prepare for a mock interview? A mock interview is a practice interview, but you need to take it seriously just as you would be actual job interview. Choose the right mock interviewer. It's easy to ask your friend or family or member, but if you want to get objective and honest feedback, you may want to ask someone with experience in interviewing job candidates. Choose a professional setting. You need a venue that stimulates an environment of an office. Be early. Arrive 15 to 30 minutes early. Bring the necessary items. Do not forget to bring your resume and any other document you may need. Also bring notepad so that you can take notice from your mock interview feedback. Dress smart and sharp. Wear the same kind of attire you expect to wear to the actual interview. Prepare your answer to common interview questions but do not memorize them. You want to avoid sounding like a robot with canned response. Bear in mind that you are doing an interview not to take test but to engage in conversation to determine if you are suitable for the job. A common interview questions are: tell me something about yourself. It does not mean that your interviewer want to know your life story. This is your opportunity to explain how your educational background, knowledge, skill and suit the job you are applying for. What are your strength and weakness? When it comes to your strong traits, focus on your skill or accomplishment that align with what's needed in job. When stating your weak characteristic, make sure to share what you have done to improve them. Where to where do you see yourself in the 5 years? Or what are your career goals? It may be tempting to say that you are aim to climb the corporate ladder and the senior manager is the 5 years time, but more appearance answer would be about skill that you want to develop or further improve over the time frame. Why do why do you want to be a part of our company? This is the opportunity. This is opportunity, or this is a where your research about the organization come in. Mark sure to know bit more about the company before the interview. Learn its mission and its culture to answer the question. Explain how your knowledge and skill are well situated to what they are looking for. You can also say something about your career aspiration and share how you can contribute to achieving company goal. Do you have questions for me, or what questions do you have for me? This is your opportunity to ask well researched questions, not only to know more about the company but also show the interviewer that you did your homework and that you are genuinely interested in the job. Finally, I conclude doing mock interview is great way to practice for an actual job interview. It gives you an idea of what you need to do and set your expectation practice so that you will see area where you can improve. By the time real job interview arrive, you are well prepared. Okay, dear students, you know what to what is the mock interview, how to prepare, how to important to us, and where to practice mock interview in your college, in your family, in your friends house, or some professional career career professional career center. So many where we can practice the mock interview or mock test better. In in webcam it is very useful because not only the feedback, it is also how to your body language existing in front of your interviewer. So use all of this and to make better strong to mock interview. Thank you friends. Thank you. Thank you students.